Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set no-go zones on MOVA Z60 Ultra. To set no-go zones on your map, you need to click on the map editing button. Then you can find no-go zone/virtual wall right here. Then you can create a no-go zone, no-mop zone, or a virtual wall, and I'll show you all of them. The no-go zone, when you click on it, it creates a new no-go zone. You can resize it to any size of rectangle of at least 1/2 by 1/2 meter to like any available possible size, right? You can rotate it by holding on this button, and you can move it around. Now once you find its proper place, you can just leave it there and save, but I'll add the no-mop zone. No-mop zone is a zone where the robot will go, but will only vacuum without mopping. When I click on no-mop zone, I can now resize it the same way and place it wherever I don't want the robot to mop. The last thing is a virtual wall. That one won't be crossed by the robot. You could also create it in a way that it doesn't fully cover some place, so the robot will just avoid it and go, you can see it won't cross that virtual wall. Instead it will just go besides it, but you can also just restrict a whole area past that wall. And now once I save it, it's done, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.